Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will watch the best 3-quart electric pressure cooker. Product number 5. Over 144 customer reviews. Brand: Prep a meal. Capacity 3 quarts. 700 watts. 8 appliances in 1 pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, brown, steam, egg cook, cook rice and warm, all in one electric appliance. Get this multi-cooker that will make a plethora of one-pot meals quicker and easier than ever before. Removable lid. Cover: turn left or right to lock or unlock the cover. As for the lid opening, you are allowed to hold the locking pin on the pot body for your convenience, or completely remove it from the pot. Easy cleaning multi-functionality saves you from using multiple pots and pans. 3-quart non-stick inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Digital display. User-friendly digital display shows cooking time, button indicator lights, and one-touch settings to adjust time, temperature, and pressure easily. Product number 4. Over 24,604 customer reviews. Brand: Instant Pot. Capacity 3 quarts. 700 watts. Central dial. A simple turn and press for easier and more precise cooking program selection and adjustment. Ultimate custom programming, for the home chef looking for a greater degree of customization and control for even greater precision cooking. Altitude adjustment. Eliminates the guesswork from a recipe conversion to provide a more precise cooking time. Cooking progress indicator, allows you can monitor the cooking states, preheat, cook and keep warm. Quick release button. The quick release button allows you to perform both continuous and pulse steam release manually. Once the quick release button is in venting position, it will automatically reset to the sealing position when you open or close the lid. Exterior brushed stainless steel, fingerprint resistant with lid holder for left and right-handed users. Stainless steel cooking pot, steam rack and lid, healthy, food grade 304, 18/8. No chemical coatings with inner pot markings at 1/2 and 2/3 for pressure cooking safety. The cooking pot, lid and steam rack are dishwasher safe. Alexa skill. Alexa guided cooking, over 1,000 recipes, getting started videos, favorite recipe list, personalized grocery list and more. 11 safety mechanisms. 1 steam release, 2 anti-block shield, 3 safety lid lock, 4 lid position detection, 5 automatic temperature control, 6 overheat, burn, protection, 7 automatic pressure control, 8 electrical fuse, 9 thermal fuse, 10 leaky lid detection, 11 quick release button. Product number 3. Over 147,796 customer reviews. Brand: Instant Pot. Capacity 3 quarts. 110 volts. 7-in-1 pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, and yogurt maker. This 3QT mini model is compact and ultra convenient, healthy and consistently delicious. Duo Nova is powered by a sophisticated microprocessor that monitors and adjusts pressure, temperature, time, and heat to cook food up to 70% faster than other methods and deliver consistent. The new Easy Seal lid gives you one less thing to worry about because it automatically seals your Instant Pot. Steam release is also a breeze with the fast, safe push of the quick 10+ safety features with UL certification let you set it and forget it. You're free to do other things while the Duo Nova cooks your dinner safely and quickly, with minimal mess and easy cleanup. The Duo Nova's food-grade stainless steel 304, 18/8 cooking pot is dishwasher safe and durable, with no chemical coating. Elegant blue LCD intuitively indicates the cooking process of the multi-cooker. Convenient one-touch control of 13 programs can be customized to remember the way you like to cook. Product number 2. Over 51,981 customer reviews. Brand: Instant Pot. Capacity 3 quarts. 700 watts. 9-in-1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. Improved stress-free venting. Intuitive and simple, our improved easy release steam switch makes releasing steam easier than ever, and it automatically resets when the lid is closed. Real-time feedback. The easy-to-read display includes a full cooking progress bar that lets you know what stage of the cooking program you've reached. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs. Cook fast or slow. Quick, easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant. stainless steel sides, and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Product number 1. Over 147,893 customer reviews. Brand: Instant Pot. Capacity 3 quarts. 700 watts. 7-in-1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Quick and easy cleanup. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app, iOS and Android, so you can discover new favorites and prepare delicious meals. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.